Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila, and today I'm going to show you how to make reusable stencils so you can make projects like this or this. I'll have everything I use in the description box below. If you find the video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and come back next week to see what's new. Alright guys, to begin this project, we're going to start with the blank canvas in Cricut Design Space. Go down to the bottom left corner, hit upload, and just pick what image you want to use. For this project, you will need to use an SVG versus a PNG, because with an SVG, you can manipulate it, such by doing things such as changing the colors, changing the height without distorting the images and things like that. So for my project, I'm going to use Ava. I purchased Ava from Coco Twins, and the link to the website will be down below in the description box. And the first thing I'm going to do with Ava is just make my screen a little bit smaller so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm just basically going to go to the right panel where all the layers are, and I'm going to hide every layer that has color, because we don't want any color in this project. We don't want to layer anything in this project. We just want the black and white version of this so that we can trace it onto our canvas. I'm working on this project because my girls and I like to get together. Well, we try to get together at least once a month and have a girls' night. And this time for girls' night, we're having a paint and sip party. And of course, anything crafty, they recruit me. So now that I've hidden all the colors on my image, I'm just going to select everything on my screen, and I'm going to attach it. And I'm doing this to ensure that I just get one cut with everything all together versus two or three different pieces. And then I did change the height of my project to 11, and I believe it auto adjusted to like 6.5. So I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas, so my image is 6.5 by 11. Once I do that, I'll just go ahead and hit make it. This is what it'll look like on the mat. And this is the stencil I'll be using that I did purchase from Amazon. It's 6 mil thick, which is really nice. It's really nice, thick and sturdy. And I like this because I can reuse it versus using like 631 or the stencil vinyl from Cricut or whatever. You know, those are kind of like one and done. But this, I can use it over and over and over again. And since, of course, this is for girls' night, I need to make multiple canvases. So this is perfect for this project. So I sent it over to my Cricut, and I cut it on cardstock, and I did cut it twice. And once it's all cut out, I'm just peeling it off my mat. And at this point, you basically can decide what parts of the stencil you want to keep. Because I feel like things like the eyes, like I didn't use the part of the eyes and things like that, because I feel like, with a paint party, details like that is not important. We're not artists, it's just a group of girls just getting together to hang out. Then I just took a pencil and just lightly outlined the parts that I wanted. Once I finished my outline, I just took my acrylic paint and just filled it in, and it turned out so beautiful. And you guys, I had so much fun doing this. Like, I had my music playing in the background, and I was just kind of in my zone. So I really did enjoy doing this, and I'm looking forward to girls' night. But it also made me think, like, wow, okay, I want to do a paint and sip party. Start doing paint and sip parties. So if you're one of my subscribers and you're in the Memphis area and you guys want to get together and have a paint party, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and start trying to put that together. I'm thinking either late March or early April, we'll go ahead and get this done. But that's it for this tutorial. Picture turned out great. Had a lot of fun, and hopefully I'll be seeing you guys soon at our sip and paint, craft and paint. I can't sip, I'm pregnant. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the videos a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.